Hi, my name is Neelam. I had taken up the 15-day gut cleanse program with Rashi, and this is my story. I had been seeing a lot of posts from Rashi on Instagram pretty frequently about a year and a half back. And eventually, at some point, I saw someone I knew who had put up a story talking about her experience with the gut cleanse. And I felt inspired because around that time I was having brain fog. I was having issues with my stomach, constipation, diarrhea, and a lot of bloating. I had been having issues, especially over the last 1 year. The issues I was experiencing had intensified. At some point, I was having very frequent migraines, and my bloating was really getting out of hand. And the push, I was feeling so uncomfortable in my body. That was really my main push to move forward with the program to better my own health in the long run. My top 3 pain points were bloating, immense bloating, pretty much all the time. I had constant bouts of constipation and diarrhea, and I was having a lot of acne for the past 1 year. And over the 15 days of this gut cleanse program, by day 3 already, I saw my skin clear up so much. Marks that I'd had for a year were disappearing in 3 days. My bloating disappeared pretty much on the first day. And by the end of the 15 days, I had not even one incident of constipation and diarrhea. The program was very easy to follow, honestly. The nutritionist assigned to us made it so easy for us to go forward with a day-to-day plan, guiding us every step of the way. The recipes that we were given were so easy to follow and honestly so tasty that it was very easy to want to actually be consistent with the program. It was not at all difficult. I could feel the difference, which also gave me the push I needed to remain consistent throughout the 15 days. I had expected there to be some challenges, but I was very pleasantly surprised when there were none at all to deal with. It was so easy to move forward with, and even now, a while after the program, I am maintaining the cleanse because it's that easy to do. So I've had a lot of brain fog, I've had a lot of anxiety, and I've had a lot of stress-related migraines. Migraines have been something I've been dealing with over the past, since I was very young, I've had terrible migraines. Brain fog has been more recent, and anxiety has been a very increased symptom over the last 1 year. And over just 15 days, I noticed that I was not feeling as anxious as I used to. I was able to deal with the situation a lot better than I used to before. 3 of the habits that I swear by, water, oh my God, so important. While we are all aware that we need to have a regular water intake, a certain amount in the day, we get so busy in our lives that it's so easy to ignore it. And over these 15 days, having had that much water in a day and maintaining it through the 15 days and seeing the changes after that is one thing I'm maintaining even now. I swear by it. It's something I really do want to keep up with. The next thing is mindfulness. Again, something we ignore so very easily in the rush of our daily lives. So meditation has become my go-to comfort. This is something I do pretty much every day, some form of meditation, whether it's just breathing, whether it's a little yoga, whether it's a guided meditation. It's something I swear by. I will do in the morning when I wake up. It's something I will do at night before I'm sleeping. And the third thing I swear by now is balancing my fibers with my carbs, something I was neither aware of properly before and obviously not observing. But at this point, having understood the thought process, the science behind balancing it out is something that I absolutely swear by and keep up with. For me, the one game changer of the program is truly understanding my body. We do a lot of stuff, eat a lot of stuff, do a lot of stuff in our environment around us without actually understanding the impact that it has on your body. And I think the key takeaway in this entire program is you really get in touch with your body. You understand how every single thing you do affects the body. And for me, honestly, that has helped me understand myself better and do things that are actually benefiting me. I would 100% recommend this program to anybody your symptoms don't have to be so major. Anybody who is feeling discomfort, is having brain fog, I would recommend this 100% to anybody, absolutely. In fact, I had my family do this program with me, and they themselves have seen the massive changes they have experienced with allergies, with emotions. And I have already, in fact, pushed this program ahead to a lot of my friends and family after seeing the changes that I experienced myself. My nutritionist was Harshita. She was absolutely amazing. She was very patient, was responding to absolutely every query that I had, and encouraging us constantly by, telling us, okay, we're doing a good job, or helping us ask, control the portions or increase the portions in some places. It was very helpful to have that kind of guidance from someone when we were starting something completely in the blind.